the topic. Discuss the topic integration as theory. Formulation. The formulas of integration. Trigonometric formulas. Integral sin x minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x sin x plus c. Integral secant square x dx tan x plus c. Integral cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Integral secant x tan x dx secant x plus c. Integral cosecant x cot x dx minus cosecant x plus c. Integral sin hx dx cos hx plus c. Integral cos hx dx sin hx plus c. Integral secant h square x dx tan hx plus c. Integral cosecant h square x dx minus cot hx plus c. Integral secant hx tan hx dx is equal to secant hx plus c minus integral cosecant hx cot hx dx equal to minus cosecant hx plus c. So these six the integration of hyperbolic functions. Okay, next integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Okay. Integral 1 by square root of 1 plus x square dx sin x inverse x plus c. Okay. Integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx cos x inverse x plus c. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x plus c or cot inverse x plus c. Integral 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1 dx secant inverse x plus c. Okay. Now start some examples. Find the integration of the following functions. First one is integral 1 plus sin x dx sin 2x dx. Second one integral 1 minus cos px by 1 plus cos px dx. Third one integral sin x by 1 plus cos px dx. Some examples. Evaluate the following integrals. The first one is integral solution. First one integral square root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. We know the sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. See the form of sin 2x. Now 1 equal to square root of sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So this can be written square root of sin square x plus cos square x sin x equal to 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x dx. Okay, so that is this can be written in sin x plus cos x whole square dx, because a plus 2 whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written sin x plus cos x whole square. Now square root cancel. Integral of sin x cos x dx. So that is each one integrate sin x dx, integral cos x dx. So sin x integration minus cos x integration sin x plus c in the form of sin x integration minus cos x integration sin x. So this is the first one is solution. Now second one. Solution second one. Integral 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 3x dx. Together formulas 1 minus cos 3x equal to 2 sin square x. The one formula. Now 1 plus cos 3x equal to 2 cos square x. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x equal to cos square x divided by dx. Or these two cancel to sin square by cos square tan square x dx. So you know that tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1. So this can be written as secant square x minus 1 dx. Now each one integrate. Integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. So what is the integration of secant square x? Tan x 1 x plus c. This is the integration of second problem. Next third. Integral sin x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Together the formula 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So using the formula, now this can be written as sin x by 2 cos square x dx. Okay, 1 by 2. 2 is constant, 1 by 2 is take outside తీసుకుంటాం. Sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. This can be written sin x by cos x tan x 1 by 2 integral tan x sin by cos tan 1 by cos secant dx. So that equals 1 by 2 integral secant x tan x dx. So the integration of secant x tan x dx equal to secant x. So 1 by 2 secant x plus c. This is the third problem. Now fourth one. And the integral of x cube minus 3x square plus 2 by x dx. One integral of x cube sin x power 4 dx. This one integral of e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Solution. Fourth one, integral x cube minus 3x square plus 2 by x dx equal to. So now please term by term. Integral x cube by x minus 3x square by x plus 2 by x dx. So that equal to integral. So x is cancel, x square minus 3x plus 2 by x dx. Now each term integration. Integral x square dx minus 3 integral x dx to 1 by x dx. Constants and kuda integration into vastayi. So we know that integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So that is the form of x power n integration. So 2 unitary power perugutunnadu 1 value. So x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 x power 1 plus 1 ante plus 1 by 1 plus 1 2 so square by 2 x cube by 2. Okay. Plus q into 1 by x integration log mod x plus c. Okay, x square integration square into 3 over x cube by 3 because of the formula using x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x square into x cube by 3 x into x square by 2 that is the integration of x power n dx. So now fifth problem. Solution. Integral x cube sin x power 4 dx. Okay. Let x power 4 equal to t. That implies, so each derivative apply 4 x cube dx is equal to dt. Okay. So applying the derivation x power 4 derivation 4x cube. So dx. T derivation dt. So now that implies x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. Now that is equal in Laplace proofs x cube dx into sin x power 4 x cube dx. This can be written as now integral sin t x cube dx equal dt by 4. So 1 by 4 constant का मतलब बढ़ के चलिए. So sin t d sin t integration का minus cos t 1 by 4 minus cos t plus c. So that is equal to minus 1 by 4 t. What is value of t? T equal to x power 4 cos x power 4 plus c. That is the integration of integral x cube sin x power 4 dx. Okay, x power 4 let x power 4 equal t. Now 4x cube dx equal dt. X cube dx equal to 4 if it is the dx dt by 4. Now sin t x cube dx is this can be written as dt by 4. 1 by 4 is constant. 1 by 4 by question integration by question. So sin t is sin t integration minus cos t. What is the value of t? T equal to x power 4. So minus 1 by 4 cos x power 4 t. So now this problem. Solution. Integral e power tan inverse x 1 plus x square dx. It's very simple. Let tan inverse x equal to t. Now apply derivation. What is the derivation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square x equal to dx. T యొక్క derivation dt. So both sides apply derivation. Now this can be written as integral e power tan inverse x to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So that equal to e power p. So this can be written dt. So what is the integration of e power t? E power t plus t. What is t? T equal to tan inverse x. E power tan inverse x plus. Okay. Now solve problem. Integral x power 8 by 1 plus x power 8t dx. This problem. Integral sin of log x by x dx. And problem. Integral cos cube x sin x dx. Okay, so listen now. 7. Integral x power 8 by 1 plus x power 8t dx equal to x power 18. This can be written as x power 9 whole square. X power 8 by 1 plus x power 9 whole square dx. Okay, now let x power 9 equal to t. So we apply derivation. 9x power 8 dx is equal to dt. Also apply derivation. Okay. Now that implies x power 8 dx equal to dt by 9. Okay. Now this can be written as integral 1 by 1 plus x power 9 whole square x power 8 dx. That is equal to integral 1 by 1 plus t square. So what is the value of x power 8 dx? dt by 9. So 1 by 9 is constant. Constant integration rules. So 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So that equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus x square integration the integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x plus c. So similarly, if you have t square, tan inverse t. Okay. Now that equal tan inverse t plus c. What is the value of t? T is equal to x power 9. 1 by 9 tan inverse x power 9 plus c. That is the integration of integral x power 9 1 plus x power 18. Okay. Now next problem. Integral solution. Integral sin log x by x dx. Let log x equal to t. Both sides apply derivation. Log x derivation 1 by x dx. If x కాబట్టి dx తీసుకోవాలి. t యొక్క derivation 1 dt. That implies dx by x. dx by x equal to t. Now this can be written as sin log x into dx by x. So that equal sin t dx by x. This can be written as dt. What is the integration of sin t? Minus cos t plus c. That equal to minus cos t. T means log x. log x plus c. Now next problem. So let's see. Integral of cos cube x sin x dx. Let cos x equal to t implies cos x derivation minus sin x dx equal to t implies sin x dx equal to minus dt. Okay, so this can be written as cos x whole cube sin x dx. So that equal to integral cos x equal to t cube sin x dx equal to minus dt. So that is minus integral t cube dt. What is the integration of t cube? T power 4 by 4. So power field plus c. So what is t? Minus cos power 4 x by 4 plus c. Okay. So next class continue with the problem.